Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I received a question. Someone asked how to uninstall TEMU app. I'm going to show you how to install this app to your phone and also uninstall it. TEMU is an online platform that sells a lot of products from China. So I'm going to show you how to install this. What you need to do is you need to go to your phone, go to your Play Store, select the Play Store, select search, then on top you need to type TEMU. TEMU. Then select, this is the app, TEMU, shop like billionaire. Then select install it on your phone. It's already installed on my phone, so I'm just gonna enable it. So now the app is updating. Select update. Now select open. This is the app here. On top you select the categories: women, home, men, sports, jewelry, industry, bags, craft, and electronics. So this is how to download and install this app. Now if you want to uninstall this app, what you need to do, you need to close it from there. Close it. So scroll to the side and look for TEMU app. Here it is on the phone. Uninstall it. To uninstall it, you need to press the app, hold it, and once you hold it, it gives you option. You will see search on TEMU, view order, shopping, select, remove, and uninstall. Then you select uninstall. It will ask you, do you want to uninstall TEMU? Do you want to uninstall this app? Then you select OK. Now you keep an eye on install TEMU and the app is off. So it's gone off. So this is how to uninstall the app. Thank you.